Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you 3 simple ways to embed one widget inside another in the ServiceNow Service Portal, all using the Service Portal configuration screen. We will use multiple examples like how to embed particular widget in HTML or client or server. Let's embed into each of the component and let's see how it works. Before that, I have created an widget called Embedding widget. It's my custom widget and let's embed another widget into this. Let's start embedding a widget in HTML. For that, let's take any kind of widget we have. Previously, we have created page A widget, right? Let's embed that. For that, let me center all the elements. And this is my custom widget into this widget, and then let's call our widget over here by taking up the ID page A widget and save it. You can see the heading which we have given and the content which is present in the page A widget. This is how we embed another widget within the HTML. Now let's see how we embed widget within the client script. For that, we have an client-side API called spUtil to get the widget data. spUtil.get of our particular widget, and then we'll be getting the response from the widget, and let me store that response in my widget variable. And then let me call this to HTML with the help of spWidget element, and within this spWidget element we have an attribute called spWidget. Within that I am calling this response to display the widget which we are going to get. Within that, suppose I have to get this particular widget. Let me copy paste it here and then save it. You can see this hello world widget is placed next to the page A widget. Now let's see how we pass the widget data from server to the HTML. For that, in the server script, I am initializing a variable called data.widget from server equals to $sp.get widget of whatever the widget you have to get from the platform. You can get that. For the example, I am taking type ahead search widget to display. To call it to the HTML, similarly like this, we are giving spWidget element, and within this widget, let me give this data.widget from server and save it. You can see the type ahead search, right? This is how it works. That's it. You now know 3 easy ways to embed widgets inside other widgets in ServiceNow. Try these out in your own projects to make flexible, dynamic and reusable widget pages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.